Welcome to Unit 7 at 185 Denistoun in the beautiful city of Welland. Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here at the latest listing brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate Niagara, the agency and team moving Niagara. In my opinion, this townhome is one of the nicest ones in the complex. Located on the outer parts facing Denistoun Street, just a few minutes walk to the recreational canal, skate park, docks, and several new restaurants. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with detached garage has been completely updated. From the custom kitchen by Silvercreek Cabinetry, the quartz counters by Kirkstone, new flooring, paint throughout, windows, doors, you name it, they did it. Personal tours are just a call or click away. But for now, let's show them the rest of this gorgeous home. Take it away, Thomas.